Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Farah Hanna, binti Fauzi, and I'm from class 5 Razzi. So today I'm gonna talk about noise pollution. Okay, what is the definition of noise pollution? Noise pollution can be defined as sounds that disturb and cause detrimental effect to the health of humans and animals. So what is the causes by the pollution? So it's causes by the sound of vehicles, traffic and construction sites, catering and nightlife, which is like loud music in events, by animals howling, barking, and agricultural and industrial machineries. Yeah. Okay. So next, the significant bad effect I found is exposure to high level of noise for a prolonged period of time can also cause health problems such as high blood pressure, depression and headache. So I found this in web, like physical. They're in a 4 categories, like for the effect for physical, high blood pressure, headache and heart attack, psychological, stress, depression and anxiety, for sleep and behavioral disorders like not having a good sleep, like you trouble sleeping, so it will cause aggressive behavior and irritability. So number 4, memory and concentration. So like when it is loud, having a hard to study and lose focus. Okay, so next, ways to overcome: use electricity wisely to save energy and avoid noisy activities, like electrical appliances such as radio. Okay, ways to overcome: use electricity wisely to save energy and avoid noisy activities, like electrical appliances such as radio. They use it in wrong way, like open it in a greater volume. Next, use environment friendly transport such as electric vehicles, insulate homes with noise absorbing materials. Next, educating the younger generation as of environmental education. Okay, local and global issues related to this topic. I think it is a familiar situation. This pollution is a familiar situation to everyone because everyone encounter this type of pollution because it's occur everywhere, even in their own house. This is work from World Health Organization (WHO), which estimate about 1.1 billion of young and teenagers are at risk of hearing loss due to personal audio devices that are used excessively at unsafe sound level, as well as exposure to damaging sound in a noisy place, such as loud event gatherings. Okay, I found this in website. In Malaysian law, section 23 under the Environmental Quality Act 1974 stipulates that no person shall, unless licensed, emit or cause or permit to be emitted any noise greater in volume, intensity or quality in contravention of the acceptable conditions specified under section 21. Okay, so my conclude to the noise pollution is we as the living creatures of this world should have the awareness ourselves, because we have to protect the world from damaging. So that's all from me. Goodbye.
Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Humairah binti Tibrani from class 5 Razzi, and in this video I would like to explain about thermal pollution. What is thermal pollution? Okay, thermal pollution can be defined as a sudden increase or decrease in temperature of a natural body such as ocean, lake and river. Industries such as power, chemical, nuclear and manufacturing are the primary source of thermal pollution. Deforestation also can be the cause of thermal pollution. Deforestation is removal of forests or trees for any type of land. Forests provide shade and block the sunlight from falling directly onto the rivers, lakes, canals, and ponds. Deforestation directly exposes the water bodies to the sunlight, causing a temperature rise due to heat absorption. Besides, soil erosion causes the top layer of soil to break and wash away into the natural water bodies. Geothermal activities and volcanoes are the natural causes of thermal pollution. Thermal pollution is bad because it may be harmful to nature. One of the effects is loss of biodiversity. Loss of biodiversity affected due to the movement or killing of marine organisms. It is not only marine organisms but aquatic plants too. The effect of thermal pollution is it will increase metabolic rate. Increased metabolic rate of organisms as increasing enzyme activity occurs that causes organisms to consume more food than what is normally required if their environment were not changed. Artificial lake is a man-made water bodies that offer a possible alternative. The heated effluents may be discharged into the lake at the end, and the water may be withdrawn from the other end for cooling purposes. The heat is eventually dissipated through evaporation. However, the lakes have to be rejuvenated continuously. Cooling ponds is the simplest method of controlling thermal discharges. It heated effluents on the surface of water maximize the dissipation of heat to the atmosphere and minimize the area and volume of water. Lastly, water recycling. Industrially treated water can be recycled for domestic use or industrial heating that the problem of thermal pollution can be mitigated.